She did her MA Economics from Delhi University in the year 1969 and worked in Lakshmi Bai College, University of Delhi, and retired as an associate professor in economics in 2011. She has a lot of flair for writing and has published several articles in magazines, journals, and daily newspapers on gender issues. She has co-authored several books in economics. She has participated in several national and international conferences and has presented papers in them. She is a member of University Women's Association and she has participated in national and international conferences and presented papers there. She is the member of University Women's Association of University of Delhi and since 1995 is a part of Indian Federation of University Women's Association, which is affiliated to IFUW since 1995 and has held the post of Joint Secretary, Joint Treasurer, then Vice President, and today from 2007 she has been the President of this particular group. She was also the project convener with the International Federation of University Women's Association. She is a life member of Indian Economic Association and Indian Society of Labour Economics and participated regularly in various conferences which was conducted by them. She is actively engaged in creating environmental awareness among college students, teachers and community. Currently she is engaged in a project creating awareness among urban women about waste management. And not only this, she wants that this planet should be a better place for everybody in future. So much.
Distinguished friends, I am really honored to be here amongst the distinguished gathering of doctors, educationists and other learned women who have done a lot in their own fields and who have excelled in their own fields. I am thankful to WOW President Dr. Lakshmi Devi and Dr. Sharda Ben for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. As a student, actually, we were taught, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if character is lost, everything is lost. Now, in the modern society, when people are running after money, actually, in a consumerist society of today, youth is running after accumulating wealth. And in this race, they do not even think about health. They do not bother about health and they do not realize that they are so much prone to lifestyle diseases like blood pressure, diabetes and heart disease at a very early age. They have forgotten the fact that good health is not something they can buy. In fact, health can be an extremely good and valuable capital asset. One thing which NGOs like WOW, DGF Forum and University Women's Association of Delhi can do is to make people aware about these things. The lifestyle diseases, they can be actually avoided. And I am very happy to know that WOW and DGF Forum are doing a lot of work on these things, because even I am bothered about the sex ratio, which is actually lowest in Delhi, 895 in a city like Delhi. As an economist, I am also worried about the infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate. These have to be looked into. Why are they so actually? And I am happy that Dr. Sharda Jain is doing a lot of work on, as I came to know just now, that they have a Save Mother's Life campaign and Save Uterus campaign. They are also doing work on female feticide, which is very important. The girls are an important part of the family, and they have to feel needed actually, that they are needed by the society. And we cannot, just, follow these practices that, and even women have a preference for male child when they have one. So we have to actually change this attitude. Another thing which just now, as Lakshmi has pointed out, that I am bothered about is the environment. Of course, we are doing this Swachh Bharat campaign, but which is just a drop actually. We have been engaged in this waste management, and I feel that I just met Raj Sharma also, and I was really happy to know that she is doing a wonderful job, and this is at the core of my heart also, that if every park in the neighborhood and if everybody in the household actually minimizes waste and we compost the kitchen waste and the garden waste, then I think major problem of waste will be solved. There is no need of spending so much money on campaigning. So I request all of you who are... I was very impressed because one thing which we had been doing, also our Pune branch, about the sanitary napkins. I was very impressed by the presentation done by Dr. Sharda Jain. Because even I feel that these days, people are so much using these nappies also. They are not bothering about giving toilet training, etc. to the children, but they just use those nappies and these sanitary napkins. But I would like to know from Dr. Sharda Jain how they should be disposed of also, because disposing of the sanitary napkins also will create waste, and it's I think poisonous waste also. So how to make it possible for this waste to be disposed of? I was thinking I will speak more, but I have been told that I should speak less. So I won't take much of your time. Thank you very much for inviting me and giving me a patient here.